Mana chalo. Yes. Agora. Mas eu não Lagi lah. Sopas. Ai put क्या करता है आप? लड़की को क्यों हाथ उठाता है? आप क्या करता है? आप क्या करता है? लड़की को हाथ
And the central police attacking like anything. It is a very democratic way that we are taking up here. And also you see many of our Congress leaders are injured now. Our Vice President, this is Hariso Goswami, is also injured now. They have beaten up like anything. This is not a fear. This government, this double engine government always attacking to the people. They are anti-people. They are attacking to the Congress leaders. They are politicalizing the issue. And our demand is very simple, that we want to restore peace and normalcy in the state, and also to investigate this Modi Adani, this scheme. So in this regard, these two agenda, we are marching to Governor's Gate. But still now, we are working. We are trying to since this from 12 noon, and now still we are blocking at the gate of our party. We cannot reach out there at the Raj Bhavan gate. Now this is the situation you see. Many of the central forces are there at the road.
We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur, sir.
Yes.
We are going to fight until peace is restored in Manipur. Santi Phangandribao, lem na khoi tumina toy. Santi Phangabakanda na khoi tumina legani.
Adum
It is very unfortunate that the state government and the central government, they are trying their best to destroy the beauty of democracy here in Manipur. They are going beyond what is being said in the constitution. We are fighting for our right. We are fighting for our right. Why? Because more than 60,000 people, they are in the relief camps. Is it the way we are living to see this? Is it the government, how they are handling with the people of Manipur? They are beating us. They are hitting us. They are shooting us. Why? Because we raise our voice for the people of Manipur. We are raising our voice for the people of Manipur. Until and unless peace is restored, Santi Purak Tribao, Oi Tribao, Ya Tribao, Manipur ke praja miyam lem nam haloi, maning sugan haloi. I koi mayam fight over there. We are going to fight for peace. Santi ki lamje ne koi ne seli se. Yegnaba thise abhi lamje nate. But Manipur government nas, Bharat Sarkar na, Samvidhan ke phasab se thukai raga. I koi je sasan Manipur base. Masidi, we are really against this double engine government. They are betraying the trust of the people of Manipur.
They are totally failed. Whatever they are doing right now and since 2023 May is unacceptable to the people of Manipur. So whatever they are doing is illegal and they are just doing whatever they can. So we are very much against them. They are blocking us. So we are marching towards the Raj Bhavan to hand over our memorandum. That's that time they are blocking us. That is very excessive right now.
Kita break tahu sih. Kita ngalo. President
Nada si pala lo de bien si pala ni lami de.
ngasi si yamna peaceful loina mayam si moment si akoi gi march to governor redana lakpani leader mayam loina yam peaceful khongchen ni adu india gi room security forces amasung state ki security forces na namdana chatna ba peaceful march si bok chatna ba honor kwa du ba du da achok open minor oina sok open ba su kayam yore masi yam laibak tiben thamjage achok budu
Tap to se. Noi jadi ba, noi pun kap terus ini. Baba tu kita kap ini. Mana? Kan dah. We want peace. 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 Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! We want peace! We want peace! We want peace! We want peace! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Upi Angang Hatpa! Upi Angang Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Sason hai taba BJP! Sason hai taba BJP! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Upi Angang Hatpa! Upi Angang Hatpa! Sason hai taba BJP! Sason hai taba BJP! Sason hai taba BJP! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina lawa CM biren! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina lawa CM biren! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Manipur da Shanti! Manipur da Shanti! Misam Praja Hatpa! Misam Praja Hatpa! Nupi Angang Hatpa! Nupi Angang Hatpa! Sason hai taba BJP! Sason hai taba BJP! Maray Anilong Babisa! Maray Anilong Babisa! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina CM biren! Manipur dagi phamne hena maru oina CM biren! Aikoi Shanti! Aikoi Shanti! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Long live Manipur! Thugaiba! Manipur Thugaiba! Manipur Thugaiba! BJP na Manipur Thugaiba!
Mariani Roma Pizza! Mariani Roma Mariani Roma Pizza! Mariani Roma Pizza! BJP की धुआं जाएंगे BJP की धुआं जाएंगे Mariani Roma Pizza जाएंगे Mariani Roma Pizza जाएंगे रुपी अनार का विरोध भी सतावा जाएंगे रुपी अनार अपना जाएंगे हरी पूरी शांति रुपी अनार विरोध भी सतावा जाएंगे रुपी अनार विरोध भी सतावा जाएंगे Mariani Roma Pizza जाएंगे Mariani Roma Pizza जाएंगे रुपी अनार हप्पा जाएंगे Mariani हप्पा
Aikoi Santi! Amen! Aikoi Santi! Amen! Long live Manipur! Manipur in Lokai! Amen! BJP na Manipur Lokai Thugaiba! BJP na Manipur Thugaiba! Rupi Angang Hatpa! Isam Praja Hatpa! Manipur!
Manipur की गंगाई पीएनआर यूनिट सतावा Manipur की गंगाई Manipur की गंगाई
Aikoi Santi! Amen! Aikoi Santi! Amen! Santi की खोजत! Manipur की हमने
BJP ने मणिपुर BJP
चलो सर पीछे बैक सर बैक प्लीज सर बैक सर एक मिनट प्लीज रोड छोड़ दीजिए प्लीज प्लीज बैक अप